Hi everybody, I'm Steph. I'm a physical therapist, and today I want to talk about how to deal with foot and calf pain. One of the best ways I have found to treat it is using a tennis ball.
Our calf muscle has these two big, they're called heads, so the medial and lateral head of the gastrocnemius muscle, the big calf muscle back here. And a lot of times knots and trigger points like to hide up in there. So especially if we've been standing and walking a lot during the day, this is where if you have pain in the bottom of your foot, sometimes it can be referred from your calf. So that's where this is really important to get these muscles worked out. So the ball comes in handy because by just stretching, you're not going to get those trigger points worked out. That's just not going to hit them with that straight stretch. So what I'm going to do is put that just kind of under my muscle on the outside. And ideally, if I had another one, I would put that on top. But then you can kind of use your fist on this side. And I'm kind of rolling on the opposite side of where that ball is. And so you can find some good trigger points in there, and just kind of hold pressure. You can do little circles. You can even just hold still on there with pressure for to a minute. And that's going to help release that muscle, that tight muscle. So kind of move it up and down to get all of those areas really nice and loosened up. And you may feel in some of these spots, you may feel the pain refer down to the bottom of your foot. And that'll definitely tell you if you're having pain in the bottom of your foot, that's where it's coming from, is from your calf. So good thing to do. You can also obviously switch and do that side. You can even just kind of hold pressure there and roll the ball on the inside as well. So I'm just kind of pushing my calf muscle up and then just roll on that side. If that tends to feel a little bit better, that might work better for you too. So a couple different options there. And then the last thing you can do with this, and this is where a golf ball is a little bit better, where it's a little harder, is rolling your foot. So I'm gonna put the ball on the floor and I'm either gonna be sitting or standing, and I'm just gonna roll back and forth, loosening up all those little knots that we get in our feet when we're walking and standing all day. Kind of find little trigger points and roll around on those.
Now you know how to relieve foot and calf pain with a tennis ball. I hope this helps keep you on the road happy and healthy. Please share with family and friends. Thanks for watching.